Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today is our first vlog and we are shooting the leg day today. But before we get into the workout, we need to talk. You know, we've started this journey very recently, but not many of you know why I started this journey. And many people in my circle are also confused because I was not always this girl. I was that girl who used to eat tubs and tubs of ice cream while working my corporate job for 16, 17 hours straight. You know, I used to move very less, no workout, didn't have proper diet, used to eat whatever I wanted, giving my emotional health as an excuse. But it all started when my health took a hit and I was forced to quit my corporate job and start focusing on my health. So that is when this curiosity of learning what is fitness, what is nutrition has all started. And I've had no knowledge about workout. I've never stepped into a gym, but today I know what warm-ups you need to do and how your workout sets need to look like, or with the help of my coach, of course. But I was not this girl. And when I started working out, I was so overwhelmed because I did not even know how your warm-up should look like. And I've never stepped into the gym before. I wanted to go to the gym for a while by then, but I never really stepped into the gym. And I was so conscious about what people are going to think about me, because if I go there and if I cannot do something properly, people might judge me. So if you're watching this and you're also feeling lost, don't worry. You're just gonna figure it out along the way, or I can just teach you, or I can just share whatever I am learning with you, and it is gonna get better. We're done with the warm-up, guys. To be very honest with you, the knowledge that I have right now, with the workouts and with the fitness thing, is very basic, and I do not think I am that capable yet to share you the tips and tricks of how to work out or how to plan your workout routines, etc. The main idea is to share my workout routines with you as they are right now, and as I keep learning, I will keep sharing anything interesting, anything and everything interesting that is happening in my day-to-day routine, day-to-day life. Until then, follow along on this journey. Let's keep growing.
Yeah. Up. Shabash. Good job. Figure नहीं करना. Up.
We've upgraded our weights. 22.5 to 12, and with 25 we got 8. Good job. Dumbbell RDLs and hip thrusts drained the energy out of me already. I am here now lying on the hamstring curls machine, trying to convince my legs to keep moving. Let's see how many we can add.
Push. 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 Control. Control the ascending. Chal. Push. Push. Control the ascending. Push. 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 Control the ascending. Mali. Next to somebody else. Control. Chal. Up. 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 Sorry.
We've gotten 6 6.5 reps and 2 supported. This is what I love about doing this fitness thing, because in my previous job, when I used to sit for longer durations, it used to feel very draining in a negative way. But being exhausted, feeling exhausted in between the sets, and actually trying to bring the momentum and trying to keep pushing, I think that is what is the very great part about this, and I look forward to. And I know, even I used to feel very scared as in, oh no, it's leg day kind of feeling I used to get before. But now I think I look forward to leg days because I get to push myself so much. On to the next. See, I don't know about you guys, but if you're being honest here, if there's any one exercise movement that I hate, absolutely hate throughout my gym workout journey, then it's reverse lunges. It took me so long to master the movement, master the form, but even now, after almost getting the form right, I still hate them. But we're not stopping. We're just gonna push ourselves forward. Let's get going. Huh? Safety, guys. If it was not there, I would have been not there for the next video. We're done with our leg day, guys. Our legs have absolutely given up. I'm walking a little weird. I'm not going to show you that. But yeah, feels so good. Feel very exhausted, but feels so good. Do not skip your leg day. Chalo. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.